going on, YouTube? So, it's G-Man the Trucker here. I'm about to do another unboxing, if you will. Today it's courtesy door lights. That's what they're called them. They're actually little door lights. I'm not sure if you guys ever seen the advertisements. They have them online a lot. Social media, you'll see them. What they are is when your doors open, they shine you can get them to shine the emblem of your car on the ground. That's pretty much what they do. And they have different types that they have. Like I know a buddy of mine, he has a Dodge Charger Scat Pack, and when he opens the doors, it shines the big Scat Pack B on the ground. And his vehicle, he has the courtesy lights on the bottom that only thing he has to do is just just pop out the clips, and he can. They come in 3 different models. They have the ones like this right here. They have the ones where you actually have to drill the hole into the bottom of your door, and they have the ones that already have the emblem that are already, I guess you could call pre-built inside the bulb, so to speak. They're already placed inside the bulb, so all you gotta do is just change the bulb and it'll shine on the ground. And that's the one that he has in his car. Unfortunately, on my GMC Denali, I don't have courtesy lights down there on the bottom. So the only option was to actually drill holes in the bottom of the door, and then I can buy the light, what they call it a ghost light. You can buy those and you can hardwire them and install them in there, or you can do it the cheaper way that I did. I didn't feel like, my vehicle is still worth a lot, and so I don't want to go drilling holes and stuff like that in it. So what I did was I did it the cheap way. Now, as far as brands go, I did a lot of research, and this seems to be the brand that everybody tends to go for. Of course, it's it's not made in the U.S., so go figure. But we'll give it a shot and see what it does. Like I said, this seems to be the brand that all the videos I watch and all the research I did, everybody tends to go with this courtesy brand. So I figured I'd just go on it too and jump it. Okay, so first look, open the box up, and they come 2 in a pair. I eventually am gonna get some for the back doors, but for the first try, I said I want to try the front doors just to see how they work in the front doors first. Okay, first thought, not really too pleased. They're nothing more than a cheap plastic. I wasn't expecting that, but yeah, they're cheap plastic, and they do take batteries, by the way, since they're not hardwired. They take what is it? I think it's 3 AAA batteries, in each one. So that's why I went and I bought me some AAA batteries today. So it's 3 AAA batteries in each one, and you have the option of you can turn on. There's a button up here where you can turn the lights on manually, and they'll kind of stay on. But for the most part, it also has a sensor, which is right here, sensor. Okay, and what it is, it comes with the 3M tape, right? And you put the 3M tape right here. You tape it on here, and you sit it in the inside of your door as such. Okay, and on the actual floor itself, here, these are 2 little magnet strips. So you adhere these to the floor itself, and what happens is when it makes contact, okay, the light will turn off. Once there's no longer contact, and you open the door, the light will shine on. That's what it does. So when it's making contact with the sensor, the light will turn itself off, and when it's not making contact with the sensor, it'll turn itself on. And that's how, believe it or not, that's how it turns itself on and off. And believe it or not, that's how you're gonna save your battery power. So you're not wasting your battery power 24/7. Okay, so I'm going to put the batteries in here real quick, and then I will attempt to install them, and we will take it from there. So first step, I put the batteries in. I recommend you cleaning like all your door jambs. Like I already did that already. I cleaned all the dirt and everything from my door jambs. That way it'll stick properly, you know, without any issues. So let's put these batteries in here. Like I said, it's 3 in each one. And oh yeah, I can see in my hand. You probably can't see it well. It's still daylight out, but yeah, it shines in my hand. I got the GMC symbol shining in my hands. So first note, that I'm happy about that. At least it works. Okay, I guess that's how you turn it off. Hit the button, turn it off. And I'm gonna do the same for the other one. Put the batteries in the other one as well. Again, like they're very reasonable price. I mean, they were like, I mean, they had them. You can find them. They're all over Amazon, all over eBay. I mean, depends on what buyer you buy them from. You can get them. They range anywhere from 15 to 20 bucks in price. It's a cool little add-on, I guess, for the price. You know what I mean? You can't beat it. So, you know, why not? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I stand corrected. From what it appears, these are the little magnet strips. And I guess these are the pieces of 3M for you to put on the back of the magnet strip. I thought the magnet strips were in here, but no. These are the 3M tape for you to put the magnet strips on. That's what it is. Okay, so you got 2 pieces of those. And adhesion promoter. I have no idea what it is because it's in Chinese. What is it? Okay, they put the instructions in English too. Will be affixed to the surface clean to ensure that the surface clean, no water, no oil. Tear open the bag, take out the white paper, wipe the surface clean. Wait a few seconds. Then paste the tape and then squeeze. What? I'm guessing it's like an alcohol pad. That's what I'm assuming. But yeah, that's pretty much all the instructions that comes with it. I mean, it's not really rocket science to figure this out, but I will tell you, thank God for the YouTube videos that I have watched. Otherwise, I wouldn't know what I'm doing. So we're gonna get this started, y'all, and let's see what's gonna happen. We'll take it from there. We'll see. Okay, so there appears to be an overall easy way to do this, folks, but just to do it, took the tape off the back side of this 3M, and I'm gonna apply it such. Okay, and I'm just gonna go for it. I mean, the bad thing about it, it's once you pretty much put this on there, you don't really want to take it off, because if anybody knows anything about 3M, you know how good 3M tape can stick. So you just pretty much have to, I guess, guesstimate and use your better judgment onto where it's supposed to go. So with that being said, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it, and we'll see what happens. Hopefully I get it in the right spot. If I can get this 3M tape off. Wow. Yeah, you know it's some good tape. It doesn't even want to come off of me. The back side. All right, now. Okay, there we go. Wow. So, really don't know where exactly I want to put it at, but I'm just going to go with, I'm going to say right about here. I think I'm going to go with the, going to use my little door strip here, little strip right there as a guide. So maybe if I put like right by where it ends, that should help. So it ends right about here, which should be, give or take, around here. Okay, so we're just gonna sit there and apply pressure to it. Make sure it's sitting flush, like it is. And okay, give it a few seconds to sit flush. And now we will work on the magnet part. Take this side right here. Does it really matter which side? I guess it doesn't matter. Just take that right there. And put it on one side of the magnet here. Should put it on there nice and even. Voila. Okay, it's on there. Now to put the others, the 3M side, and put it onto the vehicle. Sorry about that. That was a little dirt bike. One of the neighbor kids who was buying his dirt bike. So this. Okay, the door closes fine. Now just to hope that I can, like I said, it's kind of hard to gauge where you really want to put this. So I'm just going to gauge it right here. And just hope and pray that where I'm putting it at is the correct place. If I got to move it later on, God will, I'll get this 3M tape off and move it later. Man, I kid you not, stuff's not easy to get off of. But I'm gonna say right here. But what I'm not gonna do is I'm just gonna leave it up there lightly. I'm not gonna put any pressure down on it just in case I have to move it later on. Just put it there lightly, and I don't know how I'm supposed to gauge if it's working or not. Okay, so I guess there's the only real way to be able to tell if it's truly working or not is if I wait till nightfall. But yeah, that's how you install it. And let's see, did I get it in the right spot? Looks like I got it in the right spot. And I can see the emblem right there. You guys can't see it, but I'll shoot a part 2 of this at nightfall so you can get a better understanding what it looks like. But yeah, that's just how you install the courtesy door light. Again, it's the easy way to do it, cheap way to do it. If you don't want to, you know, drill no holes in the bottom of here, which I don't want to do, and if your car doesn't come equipped with a light down here, you can buy these. Like I said, as far as the vendors go, there's a whole bunch of vendors, so I can't give you any names. If you can just look on Amazon and eBay and just type in door lights, courtesy door lights, you see a whole bunch of vendors pop up. They're made in China. That's all I can tell you. Until next time, guys, be safe. God bless. Peace.